How to reset any Bosch dishwasher, step by step. Method 1. Soft reset. Cancel. Restart cycle. Step 1. Open the dishwasher door. Step 2. Press and hold the start reset, or reset, button for about 3-4 seconds, until the display shows 0, 0, or the cycle indicator clears. Step 3. Close the door and wait 1 minute while it drains. Step 4. Open the door again, then press the on-off button to power off the unit. Step 5. Power back on. Select a new cycle, and press start to resume normal use. Method 2. Cancel drain reset, for models with dual button. Step 1. Locate the two small cancel drain buttons, usually with dot symbols. Step 2. Press and hold both simultaneously for about 3-5 seconds. Step 3. Close the door and allow the machine to drain completely. Step 4. Turn off using on-off, then turn back on, choose a cycle, and press start. Method 3. Hard power reset. Step 1. Turn off the dishwasher via on, off, or by flipping its circuit breaker. Alternatively, unplug from the power outlet. Step 2. Wait at least 2 minutes, some recommend 5-10 minutes, to allow a full power discharge. Step 3. Restore power, select a cycle, and press start to verify functionality.